Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening across the global construction industry right now. If you're an investor or industry insider, buckle up, because what I'm about to share could completely redefine your strategies for 2024 and beyond. Let's kick things off with the United States. Here's the deal. Non-residential construction is on fire, with employment up 4% year over year. Why? Massive infrastructure investments and a recovering economy. But don't pop the champagne just yet. The residential sector is lagging behind, with housing starts and permits stuck at recession-era levels. And the cherry on top? The nationwide unemployment rate has ticked up to 4.2%, leaving contractors scrambling to balance an increasingly volatile labor market. Also, keep this in mind. With homebuilders holding off on new permits, the focus is quickly shifting toward renovation and reconstructions. Translation? Big opportunities for investors in the repair and retrofitting markets. Now let's fly across the Atlantic to Europe. The headlines? A mixed bag. Construction output just squeaked up by 1% in October, but 2024 forecasts are looking grim, with a 1.3% contraction on the horizon. Still, smart money is pouring into niche areas like data centers and specialized infrastructure, industries that are showing resilience despite economic headwinds. If you're looking for long-term plays, 2025 should mark the return of growth here. But in the meantime, keep your eyes on tech innovations and sustainability initiatives driving these sectors forward. All right, shifting gears to South Korea. Brace yourselves. The government is stepping in with stimulus measures, hiking public project budgets by 6.5% to resuscitate a weakening construction industry. But here's the kicker. Private sector construction investment fell by a sharp 3.6% in the last quarter, sparking concerns of long-term stagnation. The verdict? Korean policymakers are essentially setting the stage for public sector-led recovery, but investors need to act carefully. Public infrastructure looks promising, while residential and private sector projects could struggle in the short term. And then we land in China, where the situation is nothing short of alarming. The property market here is in dire straits, with unsold inventories piling up and stalled projects shaking investor confidence. Even government interventions haven't been able to prevent a projected drop in housing prices by 2025. Result? Steel production is down, a direct indicator of slowed construction activity. Translation for investors? Be extremely cautious when betting on Chinese construction. This market is in major flux. Now, Japan remains a black box for the moment, given the lack of concrete data in the report. But here's something to chew on. Hong Kong. This market's buzzing with activity thanks to aggressive urban development projects. The knock-on effect? Skyrocketing demand for construction experts, especially in civil engineering. If you're looking for regional growth plays in Asia, Hong Kong's dynamic construction landscape offers a sweet spot of stability and opportunity. Finally, the global picture. What's clear is that digitalization is rewriting the rules of construction everywhere. Think drones mapping sites, 3D printing revolutionizing architecture, and building information modeling, or BIM, streamlining project workflows. And all of this tech buzz ties into a bigger theme: sustainability. Green materials and energy-efficient designs aren't just buzzwords anymore. They've become the standard for forward-thinking investors and builders alike. But let's not sugarcoat it. We're navigating in treacherous economic waters. Rising interest rates, geopolitical uncertainties, they're all adding to the volatility. Winning here won't just take luck. It'll take sharp analysis, bold strategies, and the willingness to lean into innovation and adaptation. So there you have it. The global construction industry, painted in broad but actionable strokes. This sector may be unpredictable, but for those who monitor the trends and position themselves wisely, the upside potential is enormous. Don't just watch from the sidelines, step into the action. That's all for today, listeners. Keep your eyes on the trends that matter and your investments where the opportunities are. Until next time, this is Heejun Ko. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and I'll see you in the winner's circle. Cheers.